Hello, in this video I'll show you how to change the 12 volt battery on Toyota CHR. This model is from 2019, but this thing will apply until 2026. So I'll show you the battery which is installed the carbon, and this is the new battery that I will change. You need some socket. I guess it will be a 10 mil for removing the battery terminals, and I have also a multimeter in order to see exactly what it's the actual voltage of the battery. Now the car is still has some power in it in order to unlock the doors. And when you try to start up the car, you'll see those errors. See, and the car is not starting. And those errors will not disappear. Those errors, those are from low voltage. Okay, let's pop the hood. For those who says that 12 volt battery are not lasting too much on Toyota, try to show them this video, because this battery is the original one. It has 45 amperes, and I will use a 52 one. It will be better for short drives in the city, because the Toyota hybrid is not having an alternator like normal combustion vehicles. The hybrid is generating current and charging the 12 volt battery using using the inverter in this case, and the current that it's generated is not like a normal car with a normal alternator around 14.4 volts. It's around 13 and 5, as I know. So that's why in city, usually when you are doing short trips, this battery is not charging enough. Okay, let's remove the connector first. Before disconnecting the old battery, I'm just curious to see exactly how many volts remain. 9.5. It's not totally bad, but when the winter will come, for sure it will not work. Now, when you will try to disconnect the old battery, start with negative first. since this one it's the original battery, you have to jiggle a little bit because some corrosion can gain in time. As you can see, it was deposits. There were some deposits here. Okay, and be careful not to touch the negative while removing the positive. I will use a plastic cover from the new battery, like this. Now move to the positive terminal. The 12 one seems to be 11 mil, so let's change it. On the plus terminal, it's on 12 mil socket. You can either lose these bolts or this one, but since I don't have the key for this one, I will remove from here, remove this terminal, and after I will remove the battery from the car, I will change this terminal on put the new terminal on the new one. And here are the fuses. Next step is to remove the bolt that holds the battery in place, this bracket, which is the same as 12 mil. When the bolt will be loose, you can remove it by hand. Be aware it's a long bolt, so try not to lose it. Remove also the bracket. And the battery will come off. I will turn off the camera since I don't want to touch the terminals. Now, if you did like me, remove this terminal using a 10 mil. to jiggle a little bit. You can use also a flat screwdriver in order to gentle push from the back side. Next, put this terminal on your battery. Push it down. And screw. If you have oxy deposits here, you can use some binding paper. Now let's put back the battery. New battery is in place, and now when you install the new battery, you have to start with positive terminal first. Should be around 25 newton meters. Okay, and then connect the negative one. If deposit were inside the connector as well, you can some grading paper should be used. Never tap on the terminals, just jiggle left and right. I will pause since I will have to use both of my hands. Then thread bolt. And put the metal bracket. After the bracket is secured, put the bolt back. That was all. Now let's start the car. and as you can see, all the lights disappeared. Let's start the car by pressing the accelerator pedal. The car started. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.